Now the next example is we have to design DFA which accepts decimal odd number. We have seen previously we had accepted binary odd number. Okay, here is the case we have to add decimal odd number. सेमच फायनाईट ऑटोमॅटा येईल दोन्ही केसमध्ये, फक्त इनपुट वेगवेगळे असतील. ओके, सो हिअर we have to accept decimal odd number. So what will be the sigma that is indirectly given? So that is nothing but 0, 1, 2 up to 9 numbers. Okay, so this will be the sigma. Okay, now first we will see odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, mostly 0 is considered in the series of even numbers. Okay, so I have included here 0 because 0 is neither even nor odd number actually, but in the even series we can consider 0. Okay, so these are the actually decimal number, okay, of 1 digit. Okay, so we'll see 2-digit number that are decimal odd. Okay, so for example 11, okay, then 13, then 15, likewise, then again 21, 23, 25, etc. Okay, and so on. Okay, so these are 2-digit decimal numbers. Okay, so if we observe the things, okay, so odd numbers are always ending with odd digits only. Okay, so if we consider even numbers, then 22, 24, 26, likewise. Okay, so this is odd number of 2 digit. Okay, and these numbers are ending with even digits only. Okay, so we will observe one more thing. Okay, if we consider the numbers of 3 digits, okay, then what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, then 4, 4, 5. Okay, so all the numbers that ends with odd number that are totally odd number. Okay, and the numbers that are ending with even numbers that are always even numbers. Here we have even digit and odd digit. Here even again 1, 1, 7. Okay, total digits are odd, but still the number is odd. Here we have even digits followed by odd digits, so the total number is again odd number. Okay, so we have observed the things that if string ends with odd number, then that total number is odd number, and if total string is ending with even number, then the total number will be even number. Okay, so we'll just do one thing. Okay, so first we have concluded that. Okay, so I can write here L as what will be the smallest strings. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then 2 digits 11, 13, 15. Then I have included here, I will include 1, 2, 3 dot 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 2, 1, 3 dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, so first we will start with initial state. So if I consider the numbers from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so this can be my final state. Okay, जर असे नंबर्स असतील 1 to 9 मधले, म्हणजे 1 असू शकतो, 3 असू शकतो, 5 असू शकतो, 7 किंवा 9, तर ते डायरेक्टली ॲक्सेप्ट होतील ॲज इट इज, बिकॉज दीज आर डेसिमल ऑड नंबर. ओके, तसेच नंबर हेच सेम नंबर जर फॉलो केले कितीही टाइम, ओके, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ह्या नंबर्सला ह्यापैकी कोणत्याही नंबरनी फॉलो जरी केला तरी जो रिझल्टंट नंबर असणार आहे तर तो परत काय असेल, ऑड नंबर असेल. जसं 1 फॉलोड बाय 1 11, 3 फॉलोड बाय 5 35 इज ऑड नंबर, 79 is also odd number, 91 is also odd number, 57 is also odd number. ओके, म्हणजे ह्या ट्रान्झिशननी फॉलो केला तरी जो बनणारा नंबर आहे दॅट इज टोटली डेसिमल ऑड नंबर. ओके, सो आणि हे कितीही टाइम्स आलं तरीही. ओके, जसं 1 1 3 किंवा 5 7 9 3 7 1. ओके, सो एटसेट्रा अशा ज्या स्ट्रिंग्स बनतील दॅट ऑल विल बी द टोटल डेसिमल ऑड नंबर. ओके, सो इफ we have even number of transition, okay, like 0 2 4 6 8, and if this transition is followed by any odd number digit transition, okay, like 1 3 5 7 9, okay, so this can be also odd number like 0 1 2 25 47 63 81 89 69 etc. Okay, so total number will be odd number again. Okay, again we can have like we can repeat the same. Okay, means if number is like 4 4 5, okay, so this transition can also be repeated here. Okay, so 0 number is like 2 2 3, okay, or 6 6 6 9, okay, so that total number will be odd number. Okay, so again if we have the combination like 2 2 3 2 5, okay, so 2 3 2 5 number we want to accept from this. Okay, then what will happen, I have transition for 2 then 3, but there is no transition for again even number, any even number. Okay, so we have to add that. Okay, so if that is the case, then I can return back to state q2. Okay, so that will be the transition of 0 2 4 6 8. Okay, so here this will be repeated. Okay, so now we'll see how this will be accepted, this number will be accepted. Okay, so 2 I can move from q0 to q2, then for 3 it will go to state q1, then for 2 it will return back to state q2, and for 5 it will go to state q1, and q1 is my final state, that's why this number will get accepted. Okay, so now we will take one random string that is of odd number. Okay, so suppose 2 4 4 3 7 9 8 1. Okay, so this is the random string we are considering, and we'll see whether this string is accepted by this finite automata or not. Okay, so first 2, so we'll go to state q2, then for 4 here is the transition, again 4 I'll repeat this. Okay, for 3 it will move to state q1. Now for 7 we have cycle here, sorry, loop here. Okay, for 9 again we have loop here. For 8 we'll move back to state q2, and for 1 we'll reach to state q1 again, and q1 is our final state, that's why this string will get accepted by the finite automata. Okay, now we'll see if we add only even number. Okay, for example 1 2 3 4, okay, or 6 8 again. Okay, so we'll see whether this number is accepted by this finite automata. Okay, this number should not be accepted by this finite automata because it is not odd number. Okay, so this must be rejected by this finite automata. Let's see. Okay, so what will happen here for 1, okay, from q0 to q1 will move to state q1, then for 2 we have transition here. Okay, 2 will now at state q2, for 3 will move back to state q1, for 4 will again move to state q2, for 6 there is transition, for 8 there is transition. Now we are in state q2 and I have finished my input string, and we are at state q2, and q2 is not my final state, that's why this string will not be accepted by this finite automata. And that is correct because this string does not belong to language of this finite automata because this is not decimal odd number. Okay, so that's why we can say that this is our final finite automata. Now we can write Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F, all the tuples of finite automata. Hope so you have understood this problem. Okay, so if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thank you very much.